Today we would like to introduce an 800-ton per day wheat flour mill constructed by Henan Huatai Cereals and Oils Machinery Company Limited. The entire flour production line adopts the industry-leading 8-story, 3-dimension design. Wheat is first intelligently stored in grain silos. After scientific wheat blending process, including intensive wheat cleaning and wheat tempering are carried out in sequence. Clean wheat then enters the core grinding section, equipped with 4 flour mills for layered grinding combined with high-square plansifters. Plansifters form multi-stage classified circular screening. Wheat middlings, flour, bran, and germ can be accurately separated. Purifiers conduct intensive purification on wheat middlings, and high-quality middlings are sent to the milling grinding system for fine flour production. Separated bran is delivered to the bran grinding system for secondary grinding. Together with vibrating bran beaters and bran brushing machines for deep flour extraction, residual flour is recovered to raise the flour extraction rate. Real-time operating data of production line equipment is collected in the central control room. Operators can precisely regulate all equipment to realize full process visualized and intelligent management. From project planning and design, complete set equipment manufacturing and supply, to on-site installation, commissioning, after-sales operation and maintenance, Huatai provides you with one-stop service for wheat flour processing equipment. Choose Henan Huatai Cereals and Oils Machinery Company Limited.